Yo, Dumela, my people, Dumela, my people, Dumela. What's good, fam? Wow, where have I been? But damn. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Ox. It's your boy, Ray. Guys, it's spelled like R-A-E, not R-A-Y. Because some people like, even like when they type on their phones, they'll be like, yo, Ray. Like, is it like R-A-Y? And I'm like, no, bro. It's R-A-E. Ray. Ray. But yeah, Ox, today is Friday, the 13th of June. Today it's Friday. We are going to watch the Basketball Africa League. Today like it's the semi-finals. We're like it's the finals, the 14th of June. So today I'm going. I just received my package from Suburban List now. Yeah, I think I wanna do an unboxing on my TikTok so that I can people shall we think like I bought this from kind of what's this job by 2 for 1. I bought like this neck Shox from Suburban List, yeah. So yeah, Ox, I just wanted to come and open the vlog and I'll be like, welcome back, Ox. Today I'm gonna take you guys along with me to watch the game. And what has happened for the past 2 months. I secondly like active on my YouTube for the past 2-3 months. The last video I posted was on the Thames video is on the 21st of March, yeah. 21st of March, so yeah, but now I'm back. Hopefully I'm gonna be consistent, Oaks. Let's hope so. But yeah, let's unbox this and then yeah, but I'll go out. I haven't seen that how it looks inside. Because I love YouTube, and I wanna make this thing work. That's like I've shown you guys earlier on. It's from this guy from September List. I'm gonna do like a proper unboxing for my IG. Do you think it's a legit platform where you can buy shoes though? Why so? Why so, Joe? Because I get sports scene is when like you can't even trust sports scene anymore. Where can I go and then verify this shoe, bro? So I got with the rest. But okay. Actually, I love this shoe, but then I hate like what's happening here. To be honest with you, and it's a 3.5. It's a lot, bro. I hate it, Joe. Yo. But yeah, this is my shoe, Oaks. This is my shoe. Oaks, I'm at the hot train station now. And we are late, bro. Like fucking late.
3 points. Field goal on the floor is under review by the referees for whether it was made before time expired or not.
Zami kaya nkuthumele utransi manzi imposh bana mera dad ananga ngane dad isafuna sile asekona mama sabona mama eshe yabona ke ngandela seduba ngikameli
I'm sorry I forgot about you guys. No, you're not more washing basket. I'm just having late night snacks with my friends. So the match, I think the match is over now. So yeah, let me eat now. We had food. They I don't know. They are and then after the tea, I didn't know like we only drink tea now. That's why I'm it's cold, bro. Yeah.
Mana ela jual? Ai boleh no boleh. Zeneng gula awsa. Bagi lo ya, jelas. Ini nama ayat itu mana ni? Ada jual di sana. Very tough. You are fighting. I'm fighting for my life.